Okay, Angela, if I'm going to get a total roof replacement, what does that mean? What does that include?
Okay.
Let's hit the specifics.
All right. So when you're looking at a full roof replacement, we are going to tear off everything down to your roof deck. From there, we are going to check for any possible wood rot. If there is wood rot, we are going to take pictures, send them to you, let you know what the costs are, and
because of course that would be above and beyond what we talked about because we didn't know you didn't know the wood rot was there. Okay.
Right.
And you're talking like the plywood?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Your roof deck.
Yep.
And it could also be your fascia boards, which is your rake edge, where your gutters go. So we look at everything to make sure that that is all nice and solid for you for your new roof to take hold. So from there, we're going to install your ice and water shield. And depending on your contract, we normally like to go 6 feet. However, some people only go 3 based on the roofing system you want.
Now, when you're talking about 6 feet, you're talking from the edge of the roof, how far up you go.
Correct.
And that icing stuff, that helps prevent ice from forming during the winter time.
Correct.
Okay. And
Correct.
more is better than less, right?
Right. It protects you for when you do get an ice dam, to keep from that water coming in.
Yeah, and I have to tell you guys, I have an old house, very, very low pitch roof.
Mm-hmm.
I get ice dams because I have bad. It's an old house, and beautiful icicles, I will say.
They are beautiful,
but they are playing heck. All that ice plays heck with all the the roofing that's on the edge,
yes,
on the overhang.
yes.
So
very
important step.
Dangerous and very
so you
detrimental to your roof system.
You recommend about 6 feet, so okay.
Yes, so we go about 6 feet. We install your felt paper, depending on if you need to update your ventilation system, and that will be listed completely in your contract. We would then take care of your ventilation system. We install starters, drip edge. Then you're getting into your shingles, which are, for me, the best part because they're pretty.
Yes, I was gonna say they're pretty.
And then we will add all of your cap, whether you need a ridge vent, a power fan, things like that. And then depending on if you were looking at our beautiful solo tubes, we'd get your solo tubes installed. And gutter systems.
Solo tube? Is that a
the natural
light? The sunlight? That's the sunlight. I've seen those.
Yes.
Those are neat.
Yes. So, and then from there, we are going to tidy everything up, let you know we are finished. We'll do our cleanup, and you are good to go.
And just real quick, those the shingles, the pretty part.
Yes.
You guys have a whole array of types I can get, colors.
Yes. So the manufacturers that we generally like to stay with is Certainty by far is superior in our eyes, and they have a wide range of colors just in the regular Landmark. They go up to Landmark Pro,
okay,
all the way up to the Grand Manners, which are absolutely beautiful. So you definitely get a wide variety. And then our second is Owens Corning, and they also have great options.
One last question of what I can expect to get. Is there warranty that comes? I get this beautiful roof. Is it going to last for a year, 5?
Well, I hope it will last more than a
Me
year.
too. Me too. And you would too, I bet. Huh?
And hopefully you don't sign with anyone who's only giving a 1-year warranty on roof replacement.
What is the warranty? Does that depend on the shingles you use?
It depends on the shingles and
Okay.
the type of system you select.
All right.
However, our basic bottom of the line warranties is 10 years with from Triple Beaks Roofing, and that's on our workmanship. And then from there, depending on the manufacturer, whether the type of material warranties they have. And everything is always limited, so you want to make sure that you read your fine print. By far, Certainty's 5-star system is the best warranty out there,
yeah.
And we offer that with every single job or every single sale we go to. And then we allow our homeowners, based on the education we provide them, to make the best choice for them.